Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy DonTimTv. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can actually play straight and do some certain things on Iwowrich. Alright. Please, a quick disclaimer, I'm not a pro on this platform. I just want to show you guys how you can actually put a trade and also expect colors. Not signals actually, I just want to show you guys how you can actually do some certain things and also place your withdrawal and deposit money, do a whole lot of stuff on the site. So if you're new on this platform, this is actually meant for you. And please stick around to the end of this video. And please remember to drop a like on this video. If you don't like the video, maybe at the end, if you don't like the video, you can drop a dislike. And also follow me on Instagram at DonTimTv. If you want us to become a friend, I'll drop my WhatsApp number down there in the description. Please send me a message. Let's get something there. Alright, with that being said, let me quickly hop into my screen right now and walk you guys through how you can actually trade on Iwowrich. Alright, see you guys.
Yo, what is up? This is actually my screen right now. If you check very well, as you can see, we have gold, jewelry, silver, order. Alright, if you watched my last video, you know that these are actually the stocks that we are trading on this platform called Iwowrich. Right, let me go ahead and show you guys my personal center. Right, so I literally have 1121.7 naira available in my balance. All right, I don't have any bonus. I've changed it to my available balance, so I didn't actually deposit this money. I didn't get it through trading. It was actually through my promotions. All right, so like you guys know, there are two ways of earning on this platform. One is through the trading, and secondly is through the promotions, which is actually the referral program we have on this platform. Right, so you can go ahead and invite your friends. If you go, as you guys can see what I'm doing, once you go to this place, go down, you can copy your invite link, all right, or you go with this code. All right, what happens is when you copy this code, if you want to invite your friend, just send them this code. When they are registering, they will use the code to register. And once they do that, you get 1000 naira. All right, so I withdraw almost on a daily basis on this platform. So actually, somebody registered with my link today, so I had to use it and do this video immediately. Right, so as you can see, I have 1121.7. And one good thing about this site also is that once the people you refer are doing something on the site, you are earning as well. So it's not only from the referrer and the trading alone. So but in this video, I want to show you guys how you can actually trade. Right, when I did the last video, I thought I made everything very clear, but ever since then, I've been receiving a whole lot of questions and on my WhatsApp and on my Instagram asking me how to trade on this platform. So that was why I came up with this video again. Now, if you come to this website, as you guys can see where I clicked, if you go to the home page, scroll down, this is for commodities. That's what we trade with. So if you want to trade with gold, jewelry, silver, or other. Now what happens is in gold, as you can see these 2 minutes. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. Oh my god, so I just clicked on it. Okay, if you go to this gold, it actually takes 2 minutes, this one 3 minutes, this one 4 minutes, this one 5 minutes. All right, so but I want to trade with gold right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on gold. So if you go to gold, the countdown has already stopped. All right, now if this is gold, actually the countdown is 2 minutes. It has been gone. I don't know why this stuff is covering it. Okay, if you don't have any money on your balance, you can come here, recharge, click on it, allow it to load. Now the minimum deposit is actually 1000 naira. So but I have money on my balance, so don't end up recharging. You can come here and put in the amount you want to you can come here and put in the amount you want to deposit, or if you want to deposit more, you can go ahead and select how much you want to deposit. All right, once you're done, you go ahead and deposit. All right, so but we don't want to deposit anything right now, so the depositing is actually the same thing as recharging. So let's go back and actually see the trading process. If you don't know the rule, I would advise you, if you're new to the platform, go ahead and read the rules. All right, now if you go down to the screen or to the bottom of the page, you can see that you can see the trades that have already occurred. Now if you come here, you can actually see the period. The period is actually the time, or rather the number of trades. Now it's actually 2020 November 11th, and the date is 28th. So this is trade number 408 for today. All right, so that's one good thing about this platform, they're very specific with whatever they do on the platform. So if you want to see their formal trade, that means if you want to learn the trends and the signals, you can actually click here to see how they have been trading over some couple of trades ago, like all these ones. You can check it out. Go to the very first one they did for today. All right, now Now, okay, now this is a new trade. I'm not gonna jump into this trade immediately. I want to show you guys some things again. Now if you come down to the bottom again, you can see this my code order. That means if you place any order, if you join any trade, your order is actually gonna appear here. All right, so nothing is appearing here because you literally don't have any trade. So I'm gonna go ahead and place one trade now to show you guys how to actually place a trade on this platform. Please listen very careful and watch attentively because I'm not going to be attending to any question again on my WhatsApp because like I said in the intro, I'm not a pro on this platform. I just did a review video about the platform and I said something in my last video that if you want to join the Signal group, they actually collect a token. Alright, but please, I'm no longer interested in linking you guys to the admin, please, because I've been receiving a whole lot of complaints. Because at times when people join and I don't see what they expect, they will come back to my DM and start yelling at me, which is somehow disrespectful because I literally warned you guys before you join. Like, I'm not the one that handles the group, right? And I don't trade on this platform. I only use their referral program, which is what I like doing. So let me go ahead and trade on this platform now. It's actually a guesswork, all right? For me, it's actually, but those guys have mastered everything, so they can actually help you to win like 90% of your trade. So if you look here, what will happen is green, 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 and red have already started occurring. Well, I'm not gonna go ahead and waste my time. Okay, if we go down again, we can see that red, 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 violet actually occurred. Now have green, red, green, 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 green. Oh my gosh, I'm literally blown off already. I don't really know. The main thing is that I will have to wait for this one to finish first so that I will embark in the next trade. So let me go ahead and click on the continue so that I'll see the result. Oh, it's actually red. So I'm gonna go ahead and place on red, man. Okay, let's wait for the countdown to get to 0 so that to see. So let me just use that time to show you guys the rule of this game. Right, 2 minutes, one issue. I don't want to bore you guys with all these rules, but it will help you to get started when you are trading. Somebody was asking me how the earnings increases. Now, if you join green, if the result shows 1379, you get your money times two, right? That means you're starting with 917 naira. So this is actually how it goes. Come here and read the rules, please. I don't need to answer all the questions, right? I try as much as possible to attend to all the questions, but man, it's getting out of hand. A lot of people keep asking me on a daily basis, don't team, how does any increase? Don't team, how do I know the best trade to embark on? Don't team, how do I fund my? Don't team, how do I withdraw? Don't team, man, this is getting out of hand. The minimum withdrawal is actually 2,500, like I said in my past videos. I wonder if those guys actually watched the last video before coming to my DM to disturb me, man. So as you can see, the trade is actually at 30 right now. I'm gonna go ahead and take a quick guess. Whatever happens, it happens. Alright. Whatever happens, it happens. I'm gonna go ahead and show. Damn! I wanted to choose red right now, but then I ran out of time. So that being said, I think I should also tell you guys that when you're about to place a trade, you need to place before the countdown reaches to 20 seconds. Because once it gets to 20 seconds, they're not gonna allow you to participate in the trade. So that was why I was not allowed to trade. But let me know if actually the knockout was actually needful. Damn, I wanted to please. Damn, I could have been rejoicing right now. Could have been rejoicing right now. Could have been rejoicing, man. I wanted to choose red. 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 But no props, no props. We're good. Like I told you guys, I'm not a pro. I just want to show you guys how things go on this website. So please, if you're thinking that this guy is a pro, or you might, maybe I'm not a pro. I'm not a pro. I don't even trade. I just want to show you guys. So if you want to trade, you can either join green, join red, join violet. These numbers you select, anyone you select, and if it happens to come up here with these colors that it's showing as well, it's a win-win for you. And same thing with this one. That's why I need to read the rules very well because it will actually help you very well. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose the next trade. Next trade I'm going with let me see the results for this one first. The results will determine if I'm going for green or red. somebody was asking me how long it takes to get your money. It takes within 1 hour to 4 hours, all right, depending on the bank you are using. If your bank is very fast in processing fees like this, it will actually take less than 30 minutes, all right. Now you need to place your withdrawal request within the allocated time, which is actually from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. all right. So once you place your withdrawal request within this period, they're going to process your withdrawal immediately and get you a alert directly into your bank account. So this last one is actually, like I said, I wanted to play some cream, man. Cream. Look at the green. Doubt is actually killing me here. I don't even know if it's doubt or something else. Let me just go on with that, man. If I lose, if you perish, you perish. Alright? If you perish, you perish. I don't care. Now, if you want to place your trade, you need to agree with the pre-sale management rule. Right? If you go to the rules, you actually know what pre-sale management rule is, right? So the fee, if you want to select number, you can select number, you can select. It's actually good to select numbers if you want to predict, because this is actually prediction, but those guys have mastered it actually. So if you select trade and it happens to come up with green and the same number you chose, you're gonna win more, right? So let me go ahead and confirm the 100 naira contract money. I chose green and I know this is not gonna go well because literally red is actually gonna repeat again here, if I should say, because it's unusual for red to pop up 3 times and then green will follow suit with 2. Now it's actually gonna come up with red, but if the money bamboozles, no props, no props. We're good, we're good, good, man. So the countdown is already getting to 0. So let's let's wait, let's wait, let's wait, let's wait, let's wait, let's wait, let's wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's go and check our result, man. Red. We chose green. I said it. Boom. We lost 100 now. But it is what it is, though. And I told you guys I'm not a pro. I just took a lucky guess, but we just lucky. So please, this is actually my channel. If you want to learn how to make money online, right? This channel is meant for you, right? I have a bunch of videos talking about how you can actually make money online, and I think if you subscribe and turn on your post notification bell to actually help you to be notified by YouTube to learn every new method I bring up to this channel. And trust me, when you do that, you actually be the first to cash out from that platform. I will show you guys on the any video I post. And with that being said, please, when you trade carefully, trade with maximum caution so that you don't lose all your money. With that being said, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow or next tomorrow, because I don't really drop on Sundays, right? See you guys whenever I drop. Remember, we are still on a challenge of turning 10,000 to 1 million before 2021. I started that challenge and it's going very, very well. Always turn up on this channel whenever I drop an update about it, right? See you guys in my next video. Peace out.